retired, the former commander of Operation Safe Haven in Jos, Plateau State. Good morning, General Ayola. Thank you very much for joining us on the morning show.
Good morning, Dr. Abati, Ayo, and my brother Rufai. Good morning to you all.
Merry Christmas. Wish you the best.
Merry Christmas, and we look forward to a wonderful, better new year.
Well, General, for 2 days, Operation Safe Haven could not provide safety for the people of Bokos local government area, people of Bakenladi, it even spilled to Mango local government area. And we've been told between 100 and 160 persons died. Houses were burnt down. The people, as the governor pointed out, have become refugees in their own, in their own communities. About 58 or so communities affected. What happened? Is it that Operation Safe Haven goes on a Christmas holiday, and when there is violence during Christmas, soldiers are not expected to embark on operations? Because you recall that in October, Major General A.E. Abubakar, who is now the commander of Operation Safe Haven, even set up an expanded 36-man joint committee involving the community members, traditional rulers, with the objective of achieving, peace and ensuring safety. But that didn't work. December, when that command was required to provide safety, we were told that they responded late. So were they distracted? Is Christmas time, a very dangerous time for people?
Thank you so much. I'm about this regret. The report reaching us said the terrorists that attacked 3 local governments in Plateau, they went there well armed and with military uniform. They went there kitted as if they were Nigerian soldiers. That's what we are hearing from the grassroots. But we are being told in some quarters that they were fake soldiers or that they were terrorists. In local parlance, the people always say, if you say this one is fake, where is the original? So the question is being asked, if fake soldiers are operating, how can they operate in 3 local governments, moving from house to house, burning down buildings, killing Nigerians? Then Nigerian army were nowhere to be found. Air Force, Navy, police, civil defense, none moved in to rescue Nigerians. DSS, none moved in to rescue Nigerians. So the question we are asking, were those people actually fake soldiers, or what are we to believe? Because if you have people you say they are fake, they are not Nigerian army, the question we are asking, where was Nigerian army as the killing lasted? That's the question Nigerians are asking. So the military authorities should come up with reasonable explanation. What they are telling us is meaningless. No Nigerian will accept it. What really happened? We want to know what really happened. This is not the first time. This is one killing too many. The military should explain to us. This will not be swept under the carpet. It's unfortunate. If what Danjuma said is playing itself out, it will be unfortunate. Let that not be the narrative, that what Danjuma said is playing itself out. We cannot have military that Nigerians will look at and see them as a suspect. It will not work. So let there be explanation that will build confidence of the Nigerian people. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. We must hold our leaders accountable.
With the people, sometimes you had conversations with them.
Yeah.
Why did the things you do, why did some of them work and did some not work? I want you to answer that. But I'd like to tell you this, General. I see it's been a struggle for you to shoot straight. But let me tell you, maybe this will sink in. Me and you both have blood on our hands. For every blood that is shed in that area, and we have not been able to speak up as much as possible, God will ask us, what did you do in the face of this? And I want you to think about that strongly. This blood shed in Plateau today over Christmas is both on our hands as we speak. It's both on our hands. And I want to ask you this. You said you had written a document